Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my skincare routine and I'm gonna show y'all how I got rid of a lot of my blemishes and stuff on my face. I had a lot of dark marks from like pimples and stuff like that, and I'm gonna show y'all how I got rid of them. I am a less is more kind of girl, so I have like very minimal products and I don't use like a whole lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how I did it and how I got my skin to where it is now. I still have like some blemishes y'all can see like on my forehead and like some on my chin that are still going away, but like a lot of them have gone away. Like my whole jawline used to have like mad dark marks. I used to have like dark marks on my upper lip right here and all of that. It was like really bad. This is just like a couple weeks ago. So for the past like 2 months, I've been doing the same routine every day, and that's how I ended up clearing up my skin. And inshallah, I'm just gonna keep doing it, and I'll hopefully will have super duper clear skin where I have no blemishes, and that would be amazing. So the first thing that I do is I cleanse my face. I use Dr. Bronners soap to cleanse my face. Like I said, I'm a less is more type of person, so I also use this on my body. Dr. Bronners is something that you can use on your face and your body, so it's not like terrible or anything like that. This one is the baby unscented scent, yeah. So it doesn't have a smell, doesn't have any fragrances or anything in it. It's just soap, like literally it smells like nothing, and it cleans really well. So this is what I use. So I just use this double-sided brush that I got from Macy's, and it was just a random brush that I found in the sales section. So it has a nice soft fluffy side for cleaning your face. It's great. It has really soft bristles, so it feels really good on your skin. And then it also has a silicone side with silicone bristles that you can wash your face with. And this one is a little bit more for exfoliating, but it's not harsh at all because it's silicone, so it is super like soft on your face too. I wash my face for a total of 60 seconds. So I was watching Kaiser Kobe's skincare video, and she was talking about this method that she uses, which is called the 60-second rule, and where you wash your face for a total of 60 seconds. So you really sit down and take the time to like actually clean your face instead of just like putting the soap on and just rubbing it real quick and then washing it off. That's what I used to do, and I always felt like my face wasn't super clean. So once I started doing the 60-second method, that's when I started seeing like actual results with my blemishes, and that's when I also felt like my skin was like really clean. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna use these 2 products to go ahead and clean my face and to cleanse. So I'm back. I just finished washing the soap off of my face. So I'm just gonna use a paper towel to pat dry my face. I used to use my towel. I realized that was making me break out too. Because a regular towel, like the towel that you use to dry off when you take a shower, it's not good because you're taking different bacteria from different parts of your body, putting it on your face. Your towel sits out. It's gonna collect bacteria over time. You don't wanna use that on your face. So use something that's disposable, like a paper towel. You use it once, you throw it out, and you get a new one every time you wash your face. So after I pat dried my face a little bit, I'm gonna use a mask. This is my favorite mask right now. This is the Freeman, because y'all know I love Freeman masks. This is the Freeman Cleansing Apple Cider Vinegar Clay Mask and Scrub. It says on here that it's a multitasking mask and that it instantly tones, purifies, and mattifies for a flawless complexion, and it's for all skin types. So I really love this mask. This has been what has helped me with my blemishes. We all know that apple cider vinegar is really good for getting rid of dark marks and stuff like that. Plus, it's a clay mask and it's a scrub, so you get the best of both worlds. You get to exfoliate while also detoxifying your skin. So I'm just gonna use that, and I'm just gonna use my hands to put it on. Okay, so now that I look crazy and scary as hell, I'm going to let this mask sit for like I literally let it sit for like 5 minutes. It starts to harden actually really fast. So I'm gonna let it sit for like 5-6 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed the mask off, and I just pat dried my face with a paper towel again. And my face feels really, really good, really bright. Feels really clean. So I really love that mask. I forgot to mention that I do use that mask every day. If I don't have sensitive skin, so if you are somebody that has sensitive skin and you know you can't do an exfoliating mask every single day, don't do it every day. Do it every other day. Do it every 2 days. Do it once a week. Whatever works for your skin. This is what works for my skin. My skin can handle using that every single day. Okay, so the next thing that I do that has been really essential to me clearing up my skin has been using a toner. I use the Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is the aloe vera formula, and it's the rose petal scent, and it is an alcohol-free toner. So I don't use any toners with alcohol in it because that just really irritates my skin. And I just use it on a cotton pad like this, on like so. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this on my face. And just making sure I get in the places that really have those dark marks, like on my chin and on my forehead. This also helps. This also helps to get rid of any extra dirt and oils or anything that may be on your skin. So yeah, I really love this toner, and it smells good. So last but not least is how I moisturize my face. So my secret product that has completely changed my skin and cleared up like most of my blemishes has been, and I'm gonna show y'all what it is, vitamin E oil. It is amazing. It literally got rid of my blemishes in like 2 or 3 weeks. Like using it constantly every single day, consistently, it really helped my skin look brighter. It looked glowier and clearer. So I get my vitamin E oil from my local health food market, and they just sell it in these like little roller jars. I took the roller part out of it because it wasn't getting any oil out. So I just use it like this, and I just take it on my finger like this. I hold it and I just shake it back and forth, and some comes out, and I just wipe it on my face like that. Wipe one on my cheek, one on my forehead, and one on my chin, and I usually just take some from around the rim and just put it on my nose. What I do is I will mix it with my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, and I just take literally, I take like the tiniest drop of Cetaphil. This is actually a lot for me. I just take like a little bit like that. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face and mix it in with the oil. So let's do that. And I always make sure that I go ahead and moisturize down my neck. So yeah, that's how I moisturize my face. I love it because it doesn't feel like I have a whole bunch of products on my face. My face feels clean, and it feels moisturized and not heavy or like a whole bunch of oil is on it or anything like that. So yeah, my face is looking glowy and fresh, and this is how I have been able to like successfully get rid of my blemishes. I'm telling y'all, vitamin E oil will change your life. Also, a thing that's been helping me with my skincare is that I've been drinking a ton of water. I put on my Instagram story a little while back. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, you really should. I put on my Instagram story a while back that I was committing myself to drinking 100 ounces of water a day. So I have the big Poland Spring jug, and it's 101 ounces. So I usually drink anywhere between 75 to 100 ounces every single day, and that has really been helping my skin clear up. Also, me doing the celery juice thing, I showed y'all that in one of my two or three videos back. But yeah, it's on my channel. I will link it on the info cards up above so you can click on it and watch that video. But I did celery juice for a week and tried it out, and I really liked it. And I really do think that drinking the celery juice every morning since then, I've been doing it consistently since then, and I really do think that it helped with my skin as well, because celery juice is one of its benefits is that it helps clear your skin. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys and let you know some tips and all that kind of stuff and how I did this. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.